Mr. Bones, Bones, calling Mr. Bones, Mr. Bones, Mr. Bones, get up now. Mr. Bones, Bones, calling Mr. Bones, Mr. Bones, Mr. Bones, tell us how.
Mr. Bones, what are you doing?
I am looking for infection.
What infection?
I just realized you can get infections in the spine, but I can't seem to find them.
Yes, infections in the spine do happen. The most common infection is tuberculosis of the spine. It usually spreads from the lungs and reaches the spine. The infection will cause pain in the back, weight loss, and fever. Your doctor can easily diagnose it with blood tests, imaging, and a biopsy.
But how do you treat it?
In the early stages, medication for 9 to 12 months will cure it. But if it's in a later stage, you'll need surgery with the medication. But it's completely curable.
Yes, and I have heard that India has the highest number of cases. Let's change that.